National Historic Site, and then we're gonna go to some of the prettiest beaches on the island. Look at this super cool monument. All those rocks up there, which there's a ton of rocks used to build this monument. They were all carried along this long trail that went on for like miles and miles in the 1700s by Hawaiians just to make this. It is super early in the morning and we're stopping first thing at Rainbow Falls. I see it right there. It's so pretty. I have to show you guys. But it's also raining out here and I don't have a jacket because mine's still dirty. Look at this. So pretty. We stopped by a little candy shop. Well, I guess it's not little. It's actually pretty big, but they have samples. And look, those are the workers back there making the chocolate. This is what she was making in the back. Look how cool. This is a peanut butter brownie covered in milk chocolate. Now we're at a macadamia nut farm. We're looking in the store first. Looks like they have some samples. We got a couple different flavors of macadamia nuts. This is the one I picked out because I sampled it and it was super good. And now we're gonna do a little nature walk. We're stopping by the zoo again. Messy, but I just love looking at all the animals. It is so much fun. Even the peacocks that are just like freely roaming the zoo. I've gotten so many cool pictures and videos of them. This is the Hawaiian state bird. They're arguing. We stopped on the side of the road to look at this super pretty clear water. This is so cool. Look at this. The water is insanely clear. Look at the turtle under this rock. I didn't even see it because it was totally blending in, but once I did, I was like, oh my god. Shaky drive. Stopped at another beach after a long drive through pretty much a lava paved road. Here's our dinner tonight. Mine looks so good. It has peas, chicken, white sauce, and red sauce. We're about to go on a 6-mile hike. It's about 3 miles down to the beach. It's the green sand beach and then 3 miles back up. Okay, so it ended up getting a little bit more rain. Like it started raining harder, so I got this towel out of my bag that I brought from our hotel in case we went to the beach, but I guess we're not now since it's like raining. But we're still on the hike. So I'm putting this towel like over my backpack so it doesn't get too wet because I have like my stuff inside. And we're trying to figure out exactly where the green sand beach is because like there's a bunch of different paths and we don't know where to go. Well, we decided to go left, so hopefully that's the right way to get there. And hopefully it doesn't start pouring too hard or anything. Owen's just singing and still raining. I'm getting all wet. Look at this huge puddle. Like it's starting to get more rain, which isn't good. But I mean, at least it's not super hot, so that's a good thing. And yeah, we're still hiking in the rain. Well, looks like we can't even go this way because all the water, so we're gonna have to go this way. These puddles are really getting bigger. Oh my gosh, look at these waves! This is insane! Whoa! Whoa! This is crazy! Also very rainy. But we're definitely not there yet. Oh my gosh, the waves here are are absolutely insane. I'm on this little like cove thingy, but oh my gosh, look at these waves. This is like actually a dangerous beach. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine like swimming in this? This is crazy. And look at the slope. Definitely the most dangerous beach I think I've ever been to. Okay, it's so cold and we're gonna go on our way back, but this time we're riding in a truck. Ooh, I have like nothing on the side of me, so I hope I don't fall. Oh man, wish me luck. Ooh, so bumpy. I'm right next to the edge. I'm trying so hard not to fall off. I'm like totally holding on to Michael for dear life. Okay, we are at Vacay again. This is a super pretty beach that we went to a couple days ago. We swam at it, but today it's even more pretty because the sun is finally out and the water is super clear. Wow, it's so busy. It was way less busy when we came on the cloudy days.
Yeah, you got pretty sandy out there.
Today we're starting off with another National Historic Park. Look how cool this is. So pretty. We're walking across these rocks and we spotted a turtle. Look how cute. We found another turtle. That crab was trying to climb on the turtle. How pretty. The sun is finally out. This whole weekend's been pretty cloudy. Whoa! Oh my gosh! That one was so big! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Whoa! You guys, guess what? Now we are at a seahorse excursion where we're going to be able to hold the seahorses. All of them came up to say hi. That's such a... Ooh, look at that one. We're going to the same spot we went to earlier one more time before we go to a super cool dinner tonight. We just arrived to the place that we're going to be having our dinner. I'm so excited. It's similar to like a dinner show or like just a cool dinner experience. So first of all, it's super pretty out here. We're gonna be able to see the sunset and look at the nice green hills. It's so pretty. But we're pretty much on a ranch. There's like a bunch of horses and stuff. We're gonna go in right now so we can eat some dinner and play some games and a bunch of fun stuff. Found. Also, the view is so nice. We got some yummy s'mores. Well guys, it's my last day in Hawaii. I had a great time. We spent 10 days in total and it was a lot of fun. You guys have to check out this view that I'm looking at though. Look how pretty. We're looking at some nice views on our last day. And in a couple hours, we're gonna fly home. But I had a great time. I really hope you guys loved this video. So make sure to give me a thumbs up and comment your favorite part of the trip. So I'll see you guys later. Bye!